Wisata Sumber Sirah. Lokasi di Desa Kerkep, Kecamatan Gurah, Kabupaten Kediri. Tempat wisata yang berjarak hanya 10 km dari kota Kediri menjadi tujuan wisata yang cocok untuk bersantai bersama keluarga.
Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide.
Berkunjung ke wisata Sumber Sirah juga sangat ramah di kantong karena tiket masuknya hanya Rp2.000. Di Sumber Sirah disediakan tempat bagi bapak-bapak yang hobi burung. Di Sumber Sirah tempatnya sangat asri dan banyak pohon-pohon cocok untuk perlombaan burung. Ada beberapa wahana seperti kolam renang dewasa yang menyatu langsung dengan sumber mata air yang jernih airnya. Ada juga kolam bermain yang cocok untuk mandi dan berenang bersama anak-anak.
And I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.
Wisata Sumber Sirah lokasinya teduh karena dikelilingi pepohonan besar berusia ratusan tahun yang rindang.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best even though I'm so stressed.
Ada arena outdoor untuk anak-anak, rumah kelinci dan arena permainan lainnya.
I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by you.
Wisata Sumber Sirah yang berada di Kabupaten Kediri menjadi tujuan wisata yang banyak didatangi masyarakat.